sort of sum. So given two integers a and b, return their sum. However, sums in the range 10 to 19 inclusive are forbidden, so in that case just return 20. So what we can do is we can make a new integer that is called sum, and then have the sum of a and b. So if this sum is within the range 10 to 19 inclusive, we return 20, and if else, we return sum. So 3 plus 4 is 7. So we just return 7, but since 9 plus 4 is 13 and that's within this range, we return 20. So for here as well, if our sum is within this range, then we'll return 20, and since we already returned a value, this is not going to return. But then if our sum is not within this range, then the return statement inside the if statement is not going to run, so then we can have the sum return. Yep, it's probably the same.